Hey guys, this side Jatin Shrivastava with Online SEO Blog. Today we have a very interesting and relevant topic considering the rising competition when it comes to applying for a job. That is getting an employee referral via LinkedIn. Not only employee referral boosts your chances of getting an interview by 55%, also help you in getting yourself familiar about job responsibilities, work environment, and much more. The data which I'm going to present today are all the practical insights when it comes to winning job referrals. I will be sharing screenshot of the conversations which I had with employees to earn referral for jobs. You will find a lot of videos published on YouTube guiding you guys that employer referral is the best option when it comes to getting an interview call. But no video specifically talks how should we find the concerned person. How should I approach employee for the referral? What to pitch? What to avoid? What if I did not get any response? In my last 3.5 years of career journey, I have tried a lot of hit and trial method which have worked for me and have earned me employer referral for companies like LinkedIn, on Fido, Amazon, and many others. Let's talk facts to understand the importance of employer referrals. 55% candidates hire via referral. This was reported by the news website JobVite. 39% recruiters prefer employee referrals over any other mode of applying to a job. This is reported by Monster. 44% of new hire are employee referrals. This is reported by Glassdoor. 1 in 16 referral candidates gets hired. This is reported by lever.co. That's lever.co. Now let's understand today's agenda or the practical insights. First of all, in order to get employee referral, you must build relevant connections. Start connecting with employees of targeted companies. Make sure the connections are relevant. Spying the profile changes and activity of the employee. Once you have connected with them, review their LinkedIn profile to find something in common. Pick keywords from their profile to frame your pitch. Review their mutual connections and see if you can get a reference via that mutual connection. Third phase is outreaching. Sharing knowledge about the person helps you to win social currency when you are trying to outreach to that person. Share your knowledge about the company at which that person is working and you are looking for a job. Share the work experience that you have related to the job description for which you are trying to get a referral from that person. Now frame one single pitch combining the second and third point, that is post reviewing the person's profile and post reviewing the company's profile and the job description. Make a single pitch and reach out to the concerned person. A quick disclaimer from my side. There is no hardcore rules or steps to follow to get a referral. It all depends on your efforts and luck. Guys, as a next step, watch this particular video on the I section and flashing at your screen right now, where I have shared screenshot of my conversation with employees of LinkedIn, Onfido, Microsoft, Urban Clap, and many others company to get employee referral.